Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to do wheelie in mayhem motorcycle game in roblox. So why first of all to do wheelie you must have some bikes. So as you can see that at the bottom left you can see some gears mount. So you can use gears to buy bikes from this gear shop. So you can let me so now you have to enter this shop and now you can tap on buy a motorcycle. So the certain bikes will be certain price tag, so you can choose any bike, and if you have this particular amount to buy any bike, so if you have enough gears, then you can purchase any of the bike. So once you purchase a bike, since I have already purchased one bike, now you have to come out of this shop and choose your bike. So to choose your bike you have to tap onto this phone bike option at the left bottom above gears option. Tap on it and you can see that I have two bikes in my list. I can choose one of them, so I'm going to choose alpha 1 and tap on drive button. So you have to tap on drive button, so your controls will be appear on your screen. So you can choose you can use these control buttons to control your bike. And let me tap on this, and so once you come out of the shop, now you have to select your bike to do wheelie. So first of all you have to tap on this is spawn bikes, that option that on the left bottom. Just tap on it and select your bike. So there are two bikes, Alpha RC 390 and one is Kowalski Samurai 300. So you can choose one of the bike. So now if you want to do a wheelie, first of all you have to tap on this drive button. Now you can see several buttons that appears once you tap on this drive button. So this button is used to accelerate the bike. This two buttons used to give direction to the bike, and this button is to do wheelie. So to do wheelie, and this button is to go reverse. So if you want to do wheelie, first of all you have to accelerate the bike and see if the road is clear. Don't try to do wheelie when some bike or some cars are in front of your bike. So just accelerate your bike and tap on the wheelie button. So don't hold this button and I just collide with the car. So let me do it again. So let me select the car, one of my car, and tap on this again. And now one of the user commented on my video that why is my bike wobbling when he was riding the bike. So it is due to the memory issue in your mobile. So it was due to the RAM issue. So if you want to ride your bike wobble free, then you have to clear memory before running this game. So make sure there is no any app running in the background. So you can do, if you have this game turbo app on your mobile, let me show you. So if you tap on this clear memory, it will clear all the memory, and it will close all the apps in the background, and your game will go smoothly. Now if you want to do wheelie, just make sure there is no vehicle in front of your bike and hold the accelerator button. You have to hold accelerator button and the wheelie button together. Make sure, and you can see the touch gesture on my screen to get idea. And let me do this properly. You can see that this is how you can do wheelie. So hope you like it, hope you understood. If you have doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. See in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And you can see that if you ride your bike, your gears will be increased as per your bike's ride some distance. So hope you like it, hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.